What keeps you guys going?
Yeah, it's the passion for the events and marketing side of Izinto. We share the same vision with the guys that I'm involved with in the concept. We share the same passion. More than anything, we want to change. We want to affect positively Izinto zaBanye. So that is basically what actually has brought us together. But I must say it was a challenge because number one, you've been just in the entertainment space. Providing entertainment. The only thing that was big thing about which DJ you bring in, and that was it. Yeah. So changing that whole dimension now, you're attracting Indian, to an open space. Show what's gonna happen. And also involving businesses. So I mean, you get all these other marketingers and stuff like that. So we decided to play in that space, and I think the research here was very spot on because the response from Ifitmaidsburg and surroundings was very positive. It's such that the support has been overwhelming. I mean, on the 2nd of April, like I told you, it's 22 years since we've got experience, and it just keeps growing.
Are you selective about people that you surround yourself with?
Very much so. You have to be around people that share the same vision as you, but also don't shut it down or shut out other people, because sometimes you do need a bit of criticism or the confidence booster. These guys are on the right track, even though I don't agree with what they're doing, but it's for the right cause. I mean, this is a Sobantu Izolo. Now, across the Sobantu Albany, there's a man that does pallet furniture, right? So he started asking us, where are we from? All four of us. We told him, my locations are four different. So ultimately, his conclusion was, what's the guys, you're not from India, but I can see what you shoot. So without even us telling him what is it that we do. So that just tells it was a very good combination. Same values, same principles, same vision, and same passion.
So nizwele bafethu nani from one of the brains behind Chilla Nathi. Yeah, manje kasambe so have a funny and sibuke nje ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sambe. I'm about to taste the kodwa ke soqala la bengane ingqoqele kancane nge-display ukuthi wenzani.
Okay, we are a catering company. We cater for all events. So what we do is we speak to the client, ask the client what are you looking for, and then that's where we get our briefing. And then so if it's traditional, that's what we cater for. If it's Thai tea, if it's your curry and rice, we cater what the customer wants.
Okay, that's really nice.
Yeah.
So abantu bansela ku
Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook, it's Gia Cuisine. On Instagram, it's Gia Cuisine _ lovers. And our email address is giacuisine1@gmail.com.
Thank you so much, ladies. Okay, guys, now we have sticky wings and coleslaw. It looks really good. Yeah, and then we have icon dog la, and I want to try this first because I've seen it on TV. I've never tasted it before. So hey. It's tasting a fish taste, like what they have, the brown thing. So it's a fish taste, and then
I just wanna chill. I feel like jacking down. I just wanna chill. I feel like you now. I
guys, this is a burger from Eat Tasty Eat. It has bacon and sauces. Nice. I love it. The sauce, it has something sour. I don't know what it is, but it has some sour things there. And the patty is delicious. And the bacon. I mean. So guys, the man just sihamba sawed amanqamle into ekhala kahle kunoshukela. Yeah, something. Bengicela ungitshele kancane nje ngendawo yethu nenzani nendawo nje ya.
Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Brenda from Blackout Events Company. We're a mobile bar company. We also do catering. We do events. Yes, but namhlanje we're doing milkshakes. Yes, but we do events. Any event. We do catering for Umago, for members, so but anyway, that is with now we can go. Actually, Blackout Events is based in Lamontville. Yes, so we go anywhere and we feel like American.
Guys, who doesn't like Oreos? Who doesn't like Oreos? Everything with Oreo is perfect, but this really tastes good, guys. If you have a sweet tooth, this is for you guys. Perfect, I love it. And then I just spotted something so cool and now in front of me at something.
Alright, the Basada Yamanzi. Well, actually, what we do to Nalana, we produce water from normal water to amanzi that are purified, so it's still water. What's so special about amanzi? Well, I want now the normal water from the tap. Now, I want now fluorine, aluminum, and iron, and they are versatile acids. The cocktail is cleaning up. The amanzi, they are very healthy from the normal water. And what we've done is putting out a ship is totally researching our water, they're very clean and healthy. For example, the normal water, they told you they have damage from us as women, our uterus. They give it discharge. But this water, as you can see, our water they're very clear. And these are one of the brands that work with water. So it's a very clean and healthy water that you produce.
Okay, so Pretty Drinks is a mobile cocktail bar. So we cater for any events, but we're mostly in outdoor events. Like you'd find us in an event like this, like Chilla Nathi, where we sell cocktails. So we bring the vibe, say, where you'd like find a nice cocktail at a restaurant, but we bring it to a market or at your events. So we make any cocktails and every cocktails. Most of them are our own cocktails that we make. They're in-house of cocktails, and then we have the usual that people know, the mojitos, the Long Islands, the people.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Okay, if you want us, you can like our page on Facebook, which is where you can see even our work. It's Pretty Drinks with this logo, and you can also follow us on Instagram. It's Pretty Drinks _PMB. It also has this logo on the profile page, and then you can find our details there on the page. I think it's easier like that.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sewonga.
You're welcome.
Cannot wait to taste pretty drinks.
They love
Shelele, 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 shelele. Ooh, iYabanda, iYabanda, iYabanda.
Hey! There's vodka here, guys. I can taste the mango. I mean, it's nice, man. This is nice. Oh, man. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Ayikho into engihambisanga kuyona, ayikho into engingayibonanga. Nandi ngibona uthanda osuku, uthanda ukudla, uthanda okubandayo, zonke indawo zikhona lana. Manje sengiphinde ngabuya futhi ukuya noBundu, usasitshele kabanzi ukuthi athina ama-future plans akhe khona uzothola unathi la Chilla Nathi, right?
Yes, so how was it today?
Yo, I had a lot of fun.
I'm sure the cameraman too had a good time.
We had a great time.
No, that's great. Yeah, that's great. Thanks for asking, because in fact, a couple of days ago we crafted our expansion plan. So we are looking at venturing into other towns, not just to see Begele Maritime, because we want to touch as many businesses as possible. So we're definitely looking at 3 to 5 year plan here to also we need to be in the whole of KZN. So obviously everything starts with baby steps. So we'll start rolling out here from this year. Yeah, we're definitely looking at this in Dow, we're looking at zero out in Chilla Nathi.
Oh, that's fantastic because it's really a beautiful event.
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So do you know when the next Chilla Nathi or any event that you're gonna have? I tried, guys. I always try, you know. So where can they find you? When is the next event?
To answer you,
Okay.
I told you that we started this in 2017 on the 2nd of April.
Yeah.
So a couple of days back we actually completed the 2 years. So we did not do it today in April. So on the 5th of May, same venue, better food stalls, better everything. 5th of May, so we're still celebrating a 2-year celebration of Chilla Nathi experience, Cookout experience, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're definitely on the 5th of May, so we're still
So social networks.
social networks, it's at Chilla Nathi Cookout, both Insta and FB, Facebook. If you want to book a stall, you can go and send us an email, chillanathiCookout@gmail.com. Or Umfonele, I don't like giving out my details, it's 083-382-8822, because really they are on the page, so I can't hide them. Yeah, they're not private. So, yeah, but social media, we're very big on it. We profile quite a lot of businesses there. So if there's something you were not here with Chilla Nathi, you can always go to the page. You inquire about we'll definitely give you information or lead you with that person. Yeah. Yes.
So I really had a great time. I'm so tired, guys. Today, the women Lana. I even think
didn't share the food with me.
So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. Yeah, see you next time. Give it a Sam. Bye.
Shelele, shelele, shelele.